Wow. Do you want to come sit up here and be the judge? You're so smart.
When this defendant started challenging the judge over how the law works, the judge made it clear she wasn't there to argue legal theory.
You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. The indictment further alleges that you were previously convicted of assault family violence, a third-degree felony, December 5th of 2014. And how do you plead to that charge?
I plead no contest.
Sir, the allegation...
That's why I'm pleading no contest.
I'm not going to allow...
I'm fine guilty. That's fine.
Here's the thing. I don't have to accept any plea agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So you can, in that evading arrest or detention case, if you go to trial and you're found guilty, it's habitual. You're looking at 25 to life. We can set it for trial. I'm not playing games and I'm not going to accept the disrespect. What do you want to do?
It's 18 years.
If you go to trial and you're found guilty and those prior felony convictions are true, then you're looking at habitual, 25 to life. Today, there's an agreement for something different. I'm glad to accept that if that's what you want to do. But you're going to either accept responsibility and plead guilty or plead not guilty. That's your choices.
I just pleaded no contest. She didn't want to accept no contest.
How do you plead to that charge? Guilty or not guilty? We're not going backwards, okay? I already told you you're not going to plead no contest.
So if I'm telling you no contest, what is that?
It's nothing. I can take a plea of no contest or I cannot take a plea of no contest. That is up to the court. You're not legally entitled to plead no contest if there's a plea bargain. I'm telling you, if you want me to accept the plea agreement, you're going to plead guilty or not guilty.
That's basically saying that
We're not going to argue the law.
I'm not, or I'm guilty.
We're not arguing
That's
the law.
basically just saying that I state that.
I'm not going to argue the law with
no
you.
Guilty. Just sign. Go ahead.
I don't-
That's guilty. I'm cool, ma'am. Just go ahead.
Well, you're not. You're really not being cool, and you're making me very frustrated.
Ma'am, I respect your call. Just go ahead and give me
Nothing here.
Plead guilty. There you go.
So you plead guilty to evading arrest or detention
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
use of a vehicle. Okay. The next count says that you were previously convicted of assault family violence, December 5th of 2014. Is that true or not true that you have that conviction
That's
on
true.
your record? Okay.
And that's not the same
That's
case
okay.
as far as
Look-
evading arrest, ma'am. That's two different charges. So if you really want to be technical as far as being a habitual, that's called a repeated offender. But
Exactly. And that's, listen, so Mr. Campbell,
That's
that's,
15.
wow. Do you want to come sit up here and be the judge? You're so smart.
I don't know. If you needed some help, ma'am, I wouldn't mind.
I feel like I might because I'm not understanding. Mr. Campbell, you're getting a deal to go on count one only, which makes you a repeat. If you go to trial, you could be habitual. Today, if we take this great plea agreement, it's repeat. I understand that. I've been doing this for 30 years. Okay. So did you enter your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily?
Guilty.
Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. Find that prior conviction true. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 18 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections.